Annyeong! Welcome back to Korean Culture Series. Today we're going to make ere galbi. You know galbijjim, right? I've seen a lot of my foreign friends say their favorite Korean dish is galbijjim. But today we're going to make ere galbi, also known as Korean barbecued beef short ribs. Korean ere galbi originated from Korean Americans who moved to LA in the 20th century. They found flanken-style cut beef that they could marinate and eat it as side dish alongside rice. Now let's look at the ingredients. We need 3 pounds of flanken-style cut galbi, 1 kiwi or half a pear, 1 onion, half a leek, 100 grams of water, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of mirin, 3 tablespoons of plum extract, 2 tablespoons of ground garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and a little bit of pepper. First, wash the galbi under running water. Then put the galbi in cold water for around 2 hours and let the blood seep out. Change the water once or twice in between. Then prepare the sauce. Cut the onion, leek, and kiwi and add 100 grams of water. Mix them well with a mixer. If you don't have kiwis, you can substitute it with pears. Fruits like kiwi or pear make the meat tender and sweet, so we add them to most meat dishes in Korea. Next, we'll add some seasonings to the mixed water. Today, I'll use a paper cup as measurement. First, add half a paper cup of soy sauce, half a paper cup of mirin, then add some plum extract, ground garlic, sesame oil, sugar, and pepper. Mix them well. Afterwards, get rid of the water from the beef, then put the beef in a container and cover them with your sauce. Add another layer of the beef and add some more sauce and repeat the process. Remember, you have to have enough sauce on your beef. You have to soak the beef in the sauce. Usually, we put the marinated beef in a refrigerator for a day so that the beef soaks in the sauce evenly. So if you want to have a party or if it's holiday, you might want to prepare the LA kalbi before the event. But today I'm hungry and I also want to show you guys how to cook them, so I'll fry one serving right now. Heat up the pan, don't make it too hot, put the heat to the medium temperature and lay down the kalbi on the pan. Today, because the beef hasn't soaked in the sauce yet, I'll add some more sauce to add the flavor. The important thing here is to put the lid on the pan while the beef is cooked. There are ingredients like onion and fruits that can easily burn, so you want to use the lid as you wait for each side of your kalbi to be fully cooked. Once you get both sides of the kalbi cooked, you cut the strips into sizes of the bones. Lastly, you open the lid and stir the pieces around the sauce to boil hard. Here you want the heat of your pan even weaker. Now put it on your dish and decorate it with some pine nuts. Koreans eat LA galbi with rice. Rice is the main dish and LA galbi is the side dish. But because LA galbi is so good, you end up eating a lot of rice, so LA galbi is often accused as 밥도둑, which means rice thief in Korean. And believe me, the accusation is well deserved because LA galbi is so good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy your LA galbi. 안녕!